We just got in this 2018 Heartland Trail Runner TR26 toy hauler. It's a bumper pull toy hauler, perfect for a motorcycle or a quad. Let's go check it out. Alrighty, so this 2018 Heartland Trail Runner TR26, my gosh, can't speak today, is about a 30-foot, 8-inch overall, no-slide toy hauler. It is a bumper pull. It's got a smaller door in the back, so you're not going to fit your side-by-sides in here, but it would be perfect with a little motorcycle or a quad. So welcome back to RV Walkthroughs. My name's Taylor Quayle. As always, we're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona, and today we're going to take a peek at this toy hauler. Once again, this is a 2018 Heartland Trail Runner TR26. I actually got it right that time. We're going to give it a full exterior look, then jump inside and see what that has to offer. So we'll actually start here in the rear. You can see what I was talking about with the door. It's not a full width door. It is just really just a motorcycle quad door. You're not going to fit any side-by-sides up in there. But it still has a drop-down door, which is nice. Spring assisted on that. That's a little exhaust for the garage. You can see a couple windows. This is a stick and 10-sided. It's actually in phenomenal condition for, being at 5 years old. All your decals look really good. I don't see any big gashes or dents or dings. You may have a little dent right there, but we'll get to it. So yeah, it's a pretty nice coach. So let's take a peek at these tires. We got 205 75 R14s, 0921 on the date code. So they're just over 2 years old. And it is a double axle. 4 total tires. You got a freshwater connection, your furnace, back of the refrigerator, of course your 30 amp power service, single AC, 13,500 BTU, coax, flush, sewer connections right there, and then down here it's got some low point drains. Some low point drains right there. Your stabilizing jacks, which are push button electric. Outdoor shower, which surprisingly enough was an option. That looks like potable water. And then you got yourself a 6-gallon water heater right here. Yeah, 6-gallon water heater. And that is the driver's side. I'm gonna try really hard to avoid the sun because it's at the end of the day here. Single battery up front, couple propane tanks, as you can see right there, and then electric tongue jack. 7-pin connector on the brake. Does have a pretty nice big electric awning with an LED strip, which was another option on this coach. Obviously it goes out quite a bit further, but I just don't have the room. Your first and only storage compartment on this exterior is right here. It's not a pass-through. It does stop because you got the water heater right there. Literally the only storage throughout. Of course, you got the rear cargo area, but we won't talk about that. Couple metal steps going in, they fold up. 26 TH, loud cars behind me. And then there's the other awning arm. I'm gonna rack my head if I try to walk by. But let's head on inside. So it's an open floor plan. So right when you walk in, you're greeted with the kitchen. Step back here. Got a couple couches back there that can fold up and go. You can see all the little stays right there to keep them in place. Same concept, but the table folds up, will get stored right here. So you can completely open up this whole storage area. Now, like I said, this is a toy hauler, so you got your drop down door there. You got tie down all the way to about 12 feet, 12 and a half foot for the tie downs. Storage up to about 14 right there. You could even go into the little angular area, but probably not gonna fit too much in there. So not bad storage. Your kitchen is all on the driver's side. It's got a double bay sink, faucet extension, a little bit of storage up top. It does have a microwave, high point, more storage up there. Hood, light, fan, 3-burner gas stove top, and a little baby oven. Some storage under the sink. And then we got a couple of those drawers, as always, lots of remotes. Dometic 3-way fridge and freezer. No ice maker though. And then to the right of that, you got your thermostat for the AC unit. AC is not ducted, is ducted, but does have the option to come direct out of unit too. If you come in after a hot day, that is nice to stand under. Oh, you must need a battery. 32-inch Samsung TV could be original. One of the options was a upgraded TV, and that could be it, but they could have also replaced it. that kind of silver border on it doesn't necessarily match the rest of it. Decent little storage, nothing too crazy. Another exhaust right there, your actual entry door, light controls, and awning extension. These are part of those tie downs for that table that goes right here. Got a wheel well right there. All these storages are connected. Then you got the cargo net storages right there. It's hard to see, but you do have like the little drop down screen come down, give you like a little bug screen. Now, table completely moves. You can fold that up. You can see a spare tire down there. The weird thing about this coach is you can't connect these two kind of bed areas into one. So you technically have sleeping back here, but it's going to be like individual twins sleeping this way. There's no way for these guys to fold up against the wall or lay flat. Well, there's a way for them to fold up against the wall. You just flip the wood up, but no way for them to like flip over themselves and lay flat and connect in the middle to make it one massive sleeping area. So that's one little drawback. I guess you could fit one there, one over there, and then two in the back bedroom, but we'll get to that. We are selling this coach for $19,000, $18,995. You can see the fresh black and gray tanks right there, 42, 35, 35. Dry weight, 5277. I gotta look up and see what the actual cargo carrying capacity is so I can get you guys a GVWR. That's not on the brochure, and there's no weight sticker, so it's kind of a pain in the butt. There is your actual floor plan. And then here's all your standard features. They do this for every little model under the Trail Runner, so there might be some on here that you don't have or it's not available. And then of course the options. Pretty decent amount of options for this little guy. I did just walk on that door, that's why you see those marks there. I'm not sure, on both sides they added like additional backing. I don't know why. Maybe they didn't want to scuff it up when they were storing or had the couches up against the wall, but it is on both sides. Okay, on to the bathroom. It's a pass-through bath to get to the bedroom. It is a corner shower though, which is actually quite nice. And then you got your little vanity right here. Oh, hello. You got your medicine cabinet. Oh, white plastic sink. And then you got a little bit of storage down there under the sink. Oh, it does have water pump, water heater. Looks like water heater is LP or electric, which is nice. It is a corner shower, one-piece walls, and then a pan. It actually can be pretty tall. There's not much of a skylight. It is just a fan up here, so if you're like 6'4", you may have to bend down. One thing I love about this bathroom is, if we back up and give you an idea, you walk around, you walk in and walk to the right, you got the commode kind of in its own little area right here. And some storage behind for some more TP. And then like a little wall closet. Good for linens or something. And then there is one more pocket door to cover off the bedroom. In the back bedroom, we do have a somewhat queen bed. It looks like a shorty. It does have some storage under it. Actually, a good amount of storage right there. That is very nice. And then left and right of the bed, you do have wardrobes, overhead storage. Let's go look at one of them right here. Now that is your closet. You got two of them, but that's your main closet in this thing. And that is connected to that side. You can see power outlet there, power outlet here, and that's really about it. You just got storage under the bed. Here, I'll step back so you guys can kind of see in here. It's literally just a bedroom. It's a local TV antenna there, TV back in location here, and then a light control in the door. So that was pretty quick, huh? 2018 Heartland Trail Runner TR26. Selling it for 19 grand. My name's Taylor Quill. If you have any questions on this unit, you are welcome to reach out to me. I will put all my contact info on the screen. Email, text, whatever's easier for you. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you have any suggestions to make these videos better, shoot them down in the comments or shoot me a message. I always want to improve them. And Pedada RV Center is in Tucson, Arizona. We're right by an airport. If you want to travel in, we can sell you something and pick you up from the airport. Thank you so much for viewing, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great day.